All right. The first video outlines my problem and my options. And what I opted to do was this. This is the old rope with the T-handle on it. It snapped off and I was unable to try to take this apart. That central screw there, which is a machine screw with a hex head, I mean a Phillips type head on it, is, for me anyway, it's impossible to extract that thing. And I didn't want to break it. I didn't want to cause any more damage to it than I already did. So evidently you have to have some sort of a tool to keep this from spinning while you try to extract the screw. And being like 15 to 18 year old machine, and this is the first time that the rope broke, I sat there and scratched my head, and I consulted a pretty good friend, and he led me to believe that there's a tool that you can buy that will hold this mechanism together. In other words, there are two protuberances on the handle. You know how the Scandinavians are with complexity. They have to make things so that they can only do it. So rather than do that, I tried the backdoor approach, which kind of worked, as you can see. I got some new rope, and and this rope is fresh. It's new, brand new. It hasn't been used, and therefore it's not flexible yet. It has a little bit of a wiriness to it when it's new, and it holds its shape. So I shaped the end, which is here. I shaped the end and burnt it off and sanded it so that it's still got that tubular shape to it. And I hogged out that hole with a couple of drill bits to accept the rope more easily. And I bent this. Where is it? Okay. I bent that so that it's, see how it holds its shape, more or less? And I fished it through here and held a flashlight in here so I could see where the end of the rope was. And I gradually, very delicately was able to work it, bend it, work it, bend it, and it finally showed its head out this hole. So this procedure is not available anywhere online that I can find. And like a lot of things, you have to have someone who can explain things to you. So I'm explaining things to people who have the Redmax, a very rare machine these days, an EB 7001 backpack blower, and if they have a broken pull start, tell them to watch my video and show them where it's at on YouTube. This is Joe, and I hope this video will help somebody, and I'm hoping that others will gain this knowledge. And I'm sure that this is going to work real well. All I have to do is spin it and put that rope in this little U-notch and spin it like you do a normal recoil starter. So anyway, I hope this helps out there. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.